And what's also interesting, it's always interesting to look at some interesting changes, but of course, nothing happens unless you act upon it. So it was also interesting for us to see how executives reacted to this change. And here you can see a poll that was made just a couple of months after ChatGPT was released. So it's May of 2023. And when you look at the actual actions, you see that 70% of the companies already in May did some experiments with Gen AI models. 45%, so almost half of them, decided to adjust their data strategy by increasing funding for AI. And almost 1 in 5 companies actually started doing something, either as a POC or some production ready solution. And I think,
Piotr,
yeah,
this
go
number
ahead.
will increase. Last week I was at the AI Summit in New York, and there was also this guy, he was presenting, and he said, yeah, especially within generative AI, 2023 has really been the year wherein we do proof of concepts, potentially a proof of value, maybe even a prototype. But 2024 will actually be the year wherein we will push things to production and actually, yeah, focus on realizing that business value. And we have more clarity now on what the AI EU Act will do. We have more clarity on how these models have been developed. There's more transparency. I honestly believe that this will boom even further in the next year or the upcoming years. So yeah, I'm really curious about the numbers next year, see how they have improved. But yeah, based on experience, I would say 19% will highly increase to a higher number next year.
Yeah. I think so as well, because I guess everyone who works with any technology will realize that going from experimentation to production takes a little time. So if these companies experimented so much this year, next year is going to be production. But also we acknowledge that it's not very easy to do.